Hello, welcome to another 2 Minute Tuesday. I'm at the tail end of a ride, about 4 miles from home, and I've got a puncture, so I thought I would do a 2 Minute Tuesday on roadside tube change. Let's start the clock and away we go. So first thing you need to do is flip your bike upside down. Lots of people will tell you not to do this. I ignore them, I don't care. Now obviously you're super smart, so you have everything you need with you. You've got tyre levers, spare tube and a pump. First off, you're going to get the wheel off the bike and then the tyre off the wheel. Grab your tyre levers and get to work. With the tube off, get your new tube and inflate it slightly just so it holds its shape. Okay, super important, you've just got a puncture, so check the inside of the tyre and the rim for any sharp objects. Because I've done it before, I've changed the tube, I've gone 100 yards and the same thing that gave me the puncture before has punctured me again. So check that out. Find the culprit, tiny little stone in the tyre, pick that out, done a double check, it's all good to go. So the order that I like to do it is I put the slightly inflated tube inside the tyre and then put it onto the rim. That's what works for me, so that's what I'm going to do. Okay, you've got the tyre back on, which can be a hell of a struggle. That one was. And you just need to pump it up. Yeah, I've only got 4 miles to go until home, so I'm not too worried about getting the right pressure. Get it back on the bike, and away you go. Do another little boost pump if you want, once the bike's upright. I'm going to do that because it's pretty squidgy. There you go. Make sure to take everything back home with you. Your rolled in tubes back in your pocket, no littering. And that is changing a tube by the road in 2 minutes. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.